Hey there, welcome to Living Well Daily. Today I'm shining a spotlight on a silent hero of your health, selenium. This essential mineral doesn't always get the attention it deserves, but its impact on your health is monumental. So what exactly is selenium? It's a trace mineral, meaning your body only needs a small amount. Despite this, it plays a big role in supporting your overall health. You can find it naturally in foods, added to some supplements, and available in various forms. Let's dive into the top benefits of selenium. First up, selenium is a powerful antioxidant. It works with proteins to form selenoproteins, protecting cells from damage caused by free radicals. This antioxidant power reduces oxidative stress, a key factor linked to aging and chronic diseases. Next, selenium boosts your immunity. Studies show it strengthens the immune system, helping your body fight off infections and illnesses more effectively. Selenium is also crucial for thyroid health. The thyroid gland contains more selenium per gram than any other organ in your body. This mineral is essential for producing and regulating thyroid hormones, which influence metabolism, mood, and energy levels. When it comes to heart health, selenium has been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease. It combats inflammation and oxidative stress, major contributors to cardiovascular issues. Emerging research suggests selenium may protect against cognitive decline as we age. Its neuroprotective effects reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, often linked to Alzheimer's and other forms of dementia. So, where can you find selenium-rich foods? Brazil nuts are the richest source. Just 1 or 2 nuts a day can meet your needs. Seafood like tuna, salmon, and sardines also pack a selenium punch. Whole grains, eggs, and poultry are good options too. The recommended daily intake for adults is 55 microgram. While deficiency is rare, overconsumption can be harmful. So stick to the guidelines and consult your healthcare provider if considering supplements. Selenium might not be a household name, but its contributions to your health are undeniable. Whether you're looking to strengthen your immune system, support your thyroid, or protect your body from oxidative stress, this trace mineral is here to help. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Living Well Daily for more tips on living your healthiest life. And let me know in the comments, what's your favorite selenium-rich food? Stay healthy and stay inspired.